Need to replace the temperature probe on your Traeger Pro 575? This is the sensor inside the barrel, not the meat probe you plug into your food. Today, we're swapping it for a brand new one. We'll walk it in clean technical diagrams to see the repair from angles that are hard to catch on camera. It's a straightforward job, about 30 minutes with a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get into it. Step 1. But first, power switch off, cord unplugged, and everything cool. Then, we can work. Open the door and lift the grill grates straight up and out. Set them somewhere they won't get stepped on. The barrel has to be clear before you can reach the probe. Step 2. Underneath is the grease strip tray, an angled panel on ledges. Slide it up and lift it out. With it gone, the whole inside wall of the barrel is open to you. And that is where the temperature probe lives. Step 3. Look along the inside wall of the barrel, above where the drip tray sat. You're looking for a small metal probe on a flat bracket with a thin lead running away from it and out through the wall. Every temperature this grill has ever shown you came from that one little sensor. Step 4. Take out the screws holding the bracket to the barrel wall. They're small, so work over your hand, not over the fire pot. Once they're out, the probe hangs loose, but its lead still ties it to the controller. Step 5. Round at the hopper, open the service panel behind the controller. Take its screws out and lift the panel away. Every wire on this grill ends up back here. Step 6. Find where the probe's lead plugs in. Take a photo before you touch anything, then pull the two halves straight apart. Hold the connector body, never the wire. Step 7. Back inside the barrel, lift the probe off its seat and draw it away from the wall. Then feed the whole lead back through the hole from the barrel side. Gently. If it snags, find out why instead of pulling harder. And that's the old one out. Step 8. Take the new probe and push its lead through the same hole, from inside the barrel out to the hopper. Then round at the panel. Plug it in where the old one was and push until it's fully home. Step 9. Set the bracket flat against the wall, line it up with its holes, and run the screws back in. Snug, not gorilla tight. Then tuck the lead back the way it came, tight against the wall and well clear of the fire. Step 10. Panel back on the hopper and run its screws in. Then the drip tray back on its ledges and the grates back in on top. Take one last look around the barrel first. Tools have a way of staying behind. Now let's make sure it's working. First, plug in and switch on. With the grill cold, the screen should show a temperature close to the air around it. Next, set it to 350 degrees and press ignite. Watch the number climb and then settle. Third, let it run and check it holds. A few degrees of drift either way is normal. And last, check the screen. No temp sensor out. Pass all of these, and this repair is finished. 2 quick things before you go. First, what if your grill only swings a little? Traeger says some swing is normal and blames wind, cold air, and a grill that needs cleaning before any part. Replace the probe when the reading sits frozen, reads nothing like the grill, or throws temp sensor out. And second, this is not the meat probe. The meat probe plugs into the jack on the front of the controller and goes in your food. This one is bolted inside the barrel and never comes out. Before you go, 2 quick ways to make this new probe last. First, keep it clean. Grease and ash bake onto the sensor and act like a blanket, so it reads low and reacts slow. Wipe it down whenever you clean the barrel. Something soft, never a wire brush. And second, mind the lead. When the drip tray and grates go back in, tuck it tight to the wall, not pinched under a ledge and not hanging where the fire is. Keep it clear, and this repair will last for years. That's it. Everything we used is linked in the description below. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe, and check out these other videos. Thanks for watching.